Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make KFC salsa. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients for our delicious, tangy sauce. Start by gathering half a cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of your favorite ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of a zesty hot sauce. These form the creamy, flavorful base for our unique salsa. Next, let's combine these ingredients to build our flavor profile. In a medium-sized bowl, add the mayonnaise, ketchup, and hot sauce. Whisk them together until they are well blended and smooth. Then, sprinkle in the smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, ensuring no clumps remain. Finally, add the apple cider vinegar and sugar, mixing until everything is perfectly combined. Now it's time to fine-tune your salsa to perfection. Give it a taste and decide if you'd like more heat from the hot sauce or a touch more sweetness with additional sugar. If you prefer a slightly thinner consistency, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of water or milk. Once satisfied, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to truly meld. Your homemade KFC-style salsa is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled alongside your favorite crispy fried chicken, golden fries, or even as a dip for onion rings. Any leftover salsa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ensuring you can savor this delicious creation later. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Ala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.